Everyone, this is Kiki Vlogs, a Filipino reactor beast here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to our channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin ito ng reaction video, ang performance ni Park Han, ang performance ni Park Han, and at the same time, together with JL Gaspar. So this is their Ahoops, JL's and Han full cover of The Little Prince at today's Rendezvous in Manila Fancom. So shout out sa kay Ahoof Beast, video niya to, sa video ko niya to nakuha, or from Mel. No, actually, it was from Mel_nameless fan sa X, Joy JK 1887. So I won't take any longer. I'm really looking forward to this performance na marinig ko talaga itong something like live version and full cover of The Little Prince ng Hanyul. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Tapusin muna natin bago tayo mag-react. Swerte nyo! Ang swerte nyo! I love that. Ganda. Ganda. Grabe yung low notes. Grabe yung low notes niya. Ganda. Tinatamaan ako sa kay Park Han na boses. Grabe, ang layo niya pala. Ganda. Ang ganda ng kagis. Vibrato, please. Away sila, oh. Nag-aaway sila. Ayan na sila, mag-aaway na sila. Grabe yung control ni JL dyan. Wow. 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 Ganda. Ganda. Wait lang, ibalik muna natin. Again, dito sa belting. Grabe yung emotion nila, no? I mean, you know what I mean? Oh my God! Wait. We have to watch the TikTok of this one. We have to watch talaga. May nire-post. Ay, sino to? Bakit naman may ganitong atake sila for today's video? Wait. Hashtag Ahuf. May nakita ko dito kanina. Asa na yon? Yung Hanyuls. Ito. Sayang, malayo ang camera, but it's okay. Wow. Okay. Oh, ang ganda ng adlibs ni Parkhan. Grabe, ang swerte nyo. Narinig nyo yan? Oh my God! Oh my God! I-click natin to. Wait lang, maghanap tayo ng ano. Oh my God! Grabe yun. Ito. Ano, no. Ito. Si Parkhan, no? Grabe, ang stable ng boses nila. Grabe yung belting power ni Parkhan. I wanna see how they ended the song. Kung nag-hug pa sila. Wow. Seriously? Seriously, atake sila, no? Atake sila. Grabe. Wait. Ang galing din yun sa isang video na to eh. Wala nang hayos. Wala na. Ito. Butterfly to. Anyways, that is over for today's... anyways, that is over for today's video, the performance of Hanyuls. Grabe. The Little Princess is Kid Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye.